Hello students, good morning all of you. This is your new chapter 2, parts of a body. Students, I have already explained you half in my previous class, and today our second topic is internal and external body parts. So see the picture here. Children, our body is like a living machine. You already know that our body has different parts and each part perform different function like head, hand, legs, ear, mouth, brain and many more. What is organs? Students, do you know? Yes, different part of our body called organs. Our body has two types of organs. First one is external. See the picture, and second is internal organs. Let's have a look on them in detail. First one is external organs. Students, external organs are the parts of the body that can be seen. See the picture? Suppose eyes, ear, nose, head, some of them are single and some of them in pair, like our head, nose, mouth, tongue are single and our eyes, ears, hands, legs are in a pair. Children, see the picture of internal organs. Some parts of our body cannot be seen from the outside. They are inside our body. Such parts are called internal organs. Okay. So, first one is brain, heart, lungs, stomach, liver and kidney. Children, let's us have a look of them in details. So, first one is our heart. Heart. Students, our heart is inside our chest. It in the left side of the chest. Now, what does heart do or what is the function it? So, students, pumps blood to all body parts. Can you see picture of a heart? Yes. Look. Here, pumps means transporting blood to all our body parts. You can also feel our heartbeat. For that, you have to put your hand on the left side of your chest. You will feel some sounds like lub, dub, which you also call heartbeat. Next is our students, see the picture of brain. You touch your head. What can you feel? It will hard, and that is your skull. And what is skull? It is skull and it is a hard bone structure, and our brain is inside our skull. Okay, skull protect the brain. Now what does brain do? Students, do you know? It helps us to learn things. It helps us to understand. It helps us to remember things, and it also control our feelings and emotions. Students, see the picture of lungs. Students, do you know what does lungs do? Yes, it helps us to breathe. It helps us to breathe. Students, we have two lungs. You can see we have two lungs in our chest, first and second. Okay. Students, see the picture of stomach. What is this? Yes, this is stomach. So, what does stomach do? So, our stomach is like a bag, which holds the food we eat. It breaks down the food into smaller pieces that can be digested or used by the body for energy. Students, see the picture of bones. Bones give shape to our body. Do you know? Bones give shape to our body. An adult human body has, students, do you know? An adult human body has 206 bones. How many bones? Yes, 206 bones. Students, now see the picture of muscles. So, what is muscles? So, muscles help us to move our body parts. Muscles, students, what does muscles do? So, muscles help us to move our body parts. So, students, next class I will deal with you our sense organs. Till then, thank you.